Good morning, day 16, neon on the PCT. You're probably thinking to yourself, it looks like I'm sitting at a desk. Well, I am. I'm up at Mesa Wind Farm, and they let us use the bathroom, let us charge our stuff, and they have some stuff over there that you can buy, like snacks and stuff. So day 16, I think today looks like a approximately 18 to 19 mile day. It's going to be a great day, and that's about it. Oh, there's my little boo-boo when I crashed and burned over a couple days ago. So let's get ready to hike. Okay, day 16. Now I'm gonna start hiking. This place, the Mesa Wind Farm, a dude named Roland does security here and kind of hangs out here all the time. And he is absolutely an awesome dude. We had all kinds of snacks and stuff inside, so getting ready to go up the hill. As I'm hiking along on day 16, I'm looking for bighorn sheep. Roland said they're up in these hills a lot, so hopefully I get to see one. Look who we thought was behind us, but lo and behold,
I'm back.
Dude appeared. He's doing good, recouping a little bit. Coming up on the Mission Creek area. I can imagine when water is flowing through there. Day 16, walking along. This is Mission Creek area. We're just a little ways from some water. We also have a river crossing today, which we'll probably do as a group so that we don't have any issues. It's gorgeous out here. We're in the Mission Creek area, navigating. There's about 4 of us that are trying to navigate through this kind of a maze. This river and this whole area is absolutely amazing. So I think it's just a simple rock hop. Let's see if we can get across this thing with dry feet. Working on getting a good spot to get across this river. We just don't want to get wet feet if we don't have to.
It looks like you have a good spot here.
Trying to get across here with dry feet is what we're working on so far.
That was amazing.
Yeah. So we crossed the river, Whitewater River, on day 16. And then we kind of had a beach day for a little bit during lunch. Soaked our feet, did a little scrub face thing with the sand. It's absolutely beautiful out there. San Jacinto. 2 days ago, we were up on top of that thing. Today's shout out goes to my brother, Marcel Michaud. Not sure if you even watch this on here, but I wish you a happy birthday, and we need to talk more. Not that anything bad's happened, we just need to talk more, man. Because I love you, appreciate you. I know you're doing good. Just, I'll reach out to you and we'll get together. So, Marcel Michaud, shout out goes out to you, little brother. Oh, so we're just gonna walk along, give you some information. So far today we did 10 miles. We had to cross Whitewater River, and we're coming up on another couple miles, a section called Mission Creek, where when we get to Mission Creek, we are literally going to walk along the river and have about 9 water spots in like 7 miles. So we will not carry a lot of water during that section. So just kind of an update. We're probably going to do anywhere from 4 to 8 more miles today. And we'll holler at you here in a little bit. So the other side of the mountain where we played in the water a little bit was Whitewater River. What we're looking at down here is called Mission Creek. We're descending down to Mission Creek, where, like I said, there's water for about 7 miles straight. I can see a little water running through there. Like the colors in that rock. We're still scrambling along Mission Creek, but we're getting it done. Roses and Thorns edition. Day 16. The rose was passing by and crossing Whitewater River. It was pretty cool. The thorn was navigation through Mission Creek. It's all washed out. There wasn't a very good path. But that's Roses and Thorns, day 16. I think we did about 16 miles today, but I'll check on it and give you a recap. Neon, get it. So that's where I'm gonna set up I think I'm just gonna cowboy camp, but I'll show you that when I'm done. Out there, not too far before that bank, is Mission Creek. That's where we'll go soak our feet. Cowboy camping tonight. It's gonna be awesome. Day 16.
How about that ridge walk?
The ridge walk was awesome.
Can't say I was expecting it.
Laundry facilities. Drying out my insoles in the sun. Cowboy camping tonight. Getting ready to have some chow. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Got a payday, stinger, and a burrito. Those cracker heads over there are making a straight up queso.
Making queso.
Look at this.
Super feet's a little out of control.
Look at this.
Whoa.
Wait till it's melted.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. This is a day 16 recap. Let's go there. Sun just went down and it gets a little chilly. But today we did 15.6 miles. 15.6 miles were camped down by Mission Creek. Like I said earlier, navigating through Mission Creek was kind of a mess. Not very good markings or anything, so we just kind of walked along the creek. Got our feet a little wet, but it was no big deal. So 15.6 miles on day 16. We have 37 miles to get to Big Bear, which is our next stop. Whether it's an in and out, whether it's a hostel, we haven't figured that out yet. So you guys have a good night. Neon out.